best day of the whole week. And yep. We have to just do one thing, and that is I'll have to go and update the title of this video because I'm using the old one. I'm not like scheduling any video. It's been a very, interesting weekend. I have a lot to say about that, but before it, let's go and open up our chat. What is chat saying? Okay. So we have Shubham here. Hey Shubham, hello, how are you? How are you doing? How are things on your end? How are things on your end is such a corporate thing to say. How are things on your end? Is my voice, audio, everything fine? Athar, hello, nice thumbnail. I'm just updating it. this is the automatic thumbnail. Mostly read or talking. So yeah. I'm updating my title here, and I'm just saying mostly talking. So yeah, because I got a couple of comments where people said, hey, you are not coding, you are just talking. So I want to make those people aware that this might be something which we will not do much here. Let's code my AI SaaS. Okay, AI app. So let's not call it SaaS because I received a couple of messages. What is SaaS? And well, if people are not aware of SaaS, so we can call it app. Let's code my AI web app. We can say maybe Posthandle, right? Save. And I think thumbnail will be automatically updated, but let's put it on this and save. Anything else we want to edit? I don't think so. So yeah, let's keep it here. Oh wow, we have 6 people here. Interesting, very interesting. How to close this thing? Okay. So we have more chat. Zuma's cat. Hello Zuma. Umesh. Hello Umesh. Shubham, nice bro. How are you? I'm good too, Shubham. Yes bro, increase song music. Okay, sure, let's do that. Is it good now? I hope it's better. Varun, welcome to the stream, Varun. Okay, so the week is starting, and let's call it for 1 hour. Let's set one goal, right? Be a bit happy on Monday. Okay, so set goal set. Cool. So guys, you know what, I'm just coming, like I drove for 15 minutes to reach on time to do this stream. I was out to have a dinner with my friend, he's in town, and I was just traveling with him since 4 p.m. today. And in the evening I told them, like, they are still having dinner, they will be back very soon. But yeah, I just came for this stream. I do not want to break the streak. So yeah, I hope you understand how important this is for me. Hello Shivanshu. Any update on Cap IQ? Varun, I'm really sorry. I haven't looked into Cap IQ from Friday. I think it's same from my end. But yeah, this week I'm planning one task I was making my weekly task list, and Cap IQ's one task is there. So yeah. Or change the song maybe. Which kind of song you want to listen? Let's listen to some old lo-fi songs. I'm feeling like this. A vibey mood. Okay. Cool. Let's do this. Let's do this. Baby. The most copyrighted song. This stream gone into the gutters after this. After this music. Shubham, yeah, on CapIQ, give me some task, boss. So Shubham, it's an open source project, right? You can pick anything which you feel like doing, raise a PR. The one thing which I'm looking at, like someone who can, you know, Varun has done a good job on the basic UI. So maybe add a PR of like try to add some features on that. And Varun has also updated the script. Varun, if you can raise a PR for that on the CapIQ project, I will look into that and will merge it. So this week, let's make sure like the app opens up and you know we have the search functionality, minimal search functionality. Like right now you can select a folder, the cap iq hidden folder is created and the JSON is created, because that already is happening on the utils which you shared with me. So if you raise a PR for that, then maybe Shubham, you can pick up the UI and linking the UI thing. And meanwhile, I'll looking into the design of it, like how we want to design it. But I think Varun is facing one issue on running the app. So Varun, maybe meanwhile you run, you know, with anything, maybe Yarn or NPM, or maybe talk to LLM what's the issue, because on my end it's working very smoothly. Today, learning how to build components in React Native. Also started designing my mobile app. I also played 2-hour football today. Wow, Umesh, you did a lot of work. Interesting. All the best on your learning journey, man. Shivanshu, what are you laughing at? Shivam, okay, so I will try to see something for UI. Perfect. Varun, I'm getting issues with setup. Once clear, I will start. So Varun, let me just spend maybe 5 minutes on this. Coding. What is it? Divyansh. What is that? Okay. Divyanshu, CapIQ. What is this? CD Capture IQ, right? So we can say PNPM I. Okay. And if I see here code, what is the package JSON look like? Oh, this is the web package JSON desktop. So okay, so I have installed, you know, multiple. Varun, so this is a turbo repo project, right? You have to first install on the root, and then you'll have to go into the desktop app. So web app is the landing page, and we'll be only working on the, you know, desktop project. So with that, something you can look into. And what is there? So pnpm Tori, will it run? Command Tori not for pnpm run Tori. Missing script Tori. Okay, cd desktop. We have to first go to the desktop. cd apps desktop, and then we have to run pnpm run Tori. Tori reminds me of Turei, you know. And you know about Turei. So Tori is not running. pnpm dev. So dev is starting, which is okay. And pnpm start. Yeah, it's building now. It will just take one. Let's see if it builds. I'm getting issue. Okay, Shubham, should I pull origin now or just do it in my system because it is not running in Varun system? Yeah, use like that's what I am running, which is already pushed, so there is no change. This is the main branch which I am currently running, and you see it's running now. If I click on get info, it will just open up the white React TypeScript. I click on count. So this is the Tori app which is currently running, and it's also a menu bar app. So in menu bar I can see like get info and quit. I have enabled just 2 buttons, and we click on quit, it gets quit. PNPM. So Varun, you can try PNPM run start, and currently like what I did, it worked on my end. And yeah, I'm using I think Node 21 version. So if in case that's an issue, let's check. Okay, Israr. Hey Israr, welcome back, man. How are you doing? How is your Monday? How's your week ahead looking? And what did you do on Sunday? So on Sunday, guys, I went out and I just rested. Proper rest near a beach. I was feeling so tired because last 3-4 days I was sleeping only 6 hours, and on Sunday that all brewed up and I got like a migraine in the morning. You know what? I then talked to AI. Like I was just talking to it, hey, this was my whole 3 weeks data is because I wear this ring which records all my sleep. And then ChatGPT did analysis on that whole sleep pattern, and he said your migraine is most probably is because your body is tired and you are awake. You are also working on a Sunday, because I was doing like coding in the morning. I had to fix one thing. So I said, you do not have to do that. Just go lie down, open YouTube and watch a video called Yog Nidra. And that's what I did. I thought, okay, let's try this Sunday for on what ChatGPT is saying. So I started YouTube. I started that Yog Nidra video. It was a 31-minute video. I just lied down. I did whatever was being told in that video, and suddenly I fell asleep for like 10 minutes, and with jitters I just woke up like something happened. And then I wrote back to ChatGPT, hey, so I was watching this video, I fell asleep for maybe 10 minutes and then I woke up with jitters. So ChatGPT told me maybe this is happening because your brain does not sleep on this time in the daytime. So it's unusual for your brain. So it's super active, whereas your body needs rest. So it's sleeping. So now your body is sleeping, your brain is active, and that's why these jitters are happening, because your brain doesn't want to go into that state right now. It's unusual for it. And that made so much sense. Then ChatGPT told me, okay, try once more, the same session for 31 minutes. I tried, and again I slept for 10 minutes. Then I woke up. ChatGPT said, now go and spend your evening somewhere out, don't work. And then I went outside. My headache was gone by the time I came back home. And I was just reading my book near a beach. I walked almost like 3 kilometers. And yeah, that was my Sunday. Harshit, awesome. Thanks for giving the attendance, man. I saw your video, Harshit. Very interesting. Shubham, yeah, in my system, it's running the same. Shubham, in your system, the app is running, right? So Varun, maybe try again. Isra, Ramadan started, so I have been really busy. Oh, congrats on Ramadan. Wish you a good Ramadan. Not been keeping up well mentally, started therapy last week. What happened, Isra? Are you taking like therapy sessions online? Yeah, I saw your story. Yeah, it's running in mine. Awesome. That's cool. So yeah, where were we? So Tori is, we have checked it out. Cool. Now I have to share this update. I'm very interested. Like I worked on this today a little bit, and on Saturday, sorry. Let me show you. So it's kind of working now, kind of. By kind of, I mean, I'll show you what. So, you can now put a background layer, put a meme layer, and then click on text layer. Let's say test this text. And once the test is here, as you see, right, what's happening? Is too much. So I guess this is, so test will increase, and once we click on A, we have all these fonts, so we can select anyone. And I think Varun gave this suggestion, I guess, where now this text changes to whatever font we have selected. So yeah, thanks Varun for the suggestion last time. And you can change the color as well, and once you click outside, it's gone too. Plus I changed one other thing, which is when you select this layer, it automatically gets selected on the timeline. As you can see, like if I make another layer, let's say hello, if I add it, so this is added here because, well, there is no background on this side. Background will be popped up soon. So now what happens, as you will see on the timeline, right, this is selected. Now if I click here and I click on this is selected. This was kind of important because when we are deleting, there was some state mismatch was happening earlier, which was causing a couple of bugs. So I thought the good way to fix this is if I select the text and then they both should be selected, then there will be no inconsistency when we are deleting it. So yeah, this is all done. The style box is working kind of, but there is one other issue, which is, you know, when we increase this text and change these gravities, it has no effect. Another is I wanted to add like this box around the text, which is also not working. So I'm working on these two features right now to have the gravity working and the box. First, let's work on the box, because box seems pretty simple. Right. Yeah, got a therapist number from a friend. It's on Gmeet. Okay, cool. All the best, man. Hope you figure it out. Like, I think like therapies are really helpful when you have someone to share and guide you. I also want to try. What do you want to try? Code Crusader. Hello. How are you? I'm good, Code Crusader. Thanks for joining. Is this app is live? Akshad, this app is not live. Like, it will be this week, most probably. So you can make all these short form content directly. Okay, so let's do our ritual, which is asking GPT to give us some meme content, meme data, right? So today, which kind of content I'm interested in? Let's delete this. I'm interested in I have a meme gif where a dog is riding in a horse wearing a shawl. What do you call this? Shawl and casually roaming in the jungle. So help me with 5 meme worthy text for this meme. It should be a meme around all the hype in AI coding. Let's see. Code bro, create a productivity app like Notion. It will be useful. So why not use like Notion? Let's use Notion, guys. I use Notion. Israr, Posthandle. Israr, it will be live very soon. Like I'm like struggling with 2 other things right now in my day, so I'm not able to give the love I wanted to this project to make it like that final push. And once that is done, and hopefully this week, hopefully. And another good news is I got another sponsorship over the next video which I have to make, and it's a very interesting sponsorship, and it's a video which is in itself interesting. So I got this sponsorship by telling this company about what video I'm making next, and they were like super excited, so they wanted to like sponsor that video. So yeah, that's one good thing which happened today only. Today 2 p.m. we finalized that call. Code Crusader, what's your marketing strategy? Code Crusader, we will just post. That's the marketing strategy. I mean, you guys can give me some ideas. What should we do to market this app? I'm very excited about launching this app. Oh, Akshad, really? Look, do you want to be the beta tester? I'm like inviting people next week when this will launch. Maybe this week when this will launch. So I need a couple of email addresses. Few of them are here, like my members. They will be invited the first. And after that, I will post about it on our Discord channel. You can join our Discord. Code, is that ChatGPT app? Yes, Code Crusader. Israr, damn, congratulations on your sponsor. Thank you guys. This all happened because of you guys, like giving the such, you know, this that boost, that confidence that yes, you are on the right track. And I believe like I'm like nowhere close, but still I'm like way far than I was 8 months before. So it feels like a win. Me deploying my AI model with 0 optimization, but it somehow works. No. When you just copy paste AI generated code and pray it runs. My AI model confidently hallucinating now. me watching my AI agent take unexpected paths but still reaching the solution. No. Bad. Where is that dog? Okay. Maybe after I'm sharing the image, ChatGPT can do something. This is how the dog is walking. Now give some good meme content around people using coding AI IDE and not doing the coding themselves, just talking to AI and yeah, just talking to AI maybe. Oh, we have 100 happening. What's happening here? Yep. Tripster, how do you come across sponsors? So Tripster, mostly they come across me. I don't know how they find me. This is very interesting for me as well. Rudy, have you done legacy code conversion? Legacy code conversion? Not really. I worked on one project with the banking app. They wanted to move one core module from Java to KMM. Like they wanted to make it into KMM. So I was the one leading the team to make that KMM module. So that's what I did. Akshad, V0 by Vercel is a good choice for creating UI for project. Akshad, I do use V0 sometimes, but I think better is Bolt New and Lovable. Those are like better than V0 at this point. V0 is good for like creating dashboards as per my experiments with it. Code Crusader, I don't know why I trying to switch the chatbot model to other models like Claude, but finally I reached to ChatGPT. Says ChatGPT similar Apple ecosystem. Me too. So I have, you know, the main USP of LLMs will not be who is smart or who is not, because they all will be at the same level in few years. The main USP will be with whom you have interacted the most, who knows a lot about you, the context. And for me, I have been using ChatGPT for so long for all my things in day-to-day life, so it has a huge context about me. Though one limitation which I found out today only while I was working out, so I do share my workouts with one small project I have created called Workout. I share all the things which I am doing. It saves my into memory, but today that memory got full, and I found out, okay, what the hell, like why this memory is getting full. It should be stored somewhere permanently, all my workouts, and it should fetch from that database every day from last 2 weeks. It does not have to have my today's memory is like in every chat for months. So yeah, that's what I felt. I don't know. Okay, so ChatGPT is like a virtual friend. If you need a virtual friend, try Sesame. Guys, you will be, what is this? Sesame, right? It's Sesame. Wait. Yeah, sesame.com. Okay, try this, try Maya, and tell me if you are not hooked by talking to her. Yesterday when I was driving alone for like almost 1.5 hours. I was talking to Maya the whole way, and we talked about a book I am reading. It's unreal. Like it was like I was having a conversation with a real person, and we were talking about that book for 1 hour. It was that good. Does Claude and Grok store memory? Not as far as I know. Bro, how do you know every technology? It was insane. I don't know every technology. I know like a couple of things which I have worked on, mostly where I was interested in. I have no idea about, Microsoft's coding environment like C#. I have never worked with it. And well, I worked on C# a little bit. I was making like a Unity game, but that was like maybe a few months. And I have no experience about .NET framework, PHP. Like I worked on it very long back, but never after that. So yeah. Hey Vishnu, how are you, man? No, man, I'm not even close. I'm a noob. Because I know people who are really, really good, really good. I might be like jack of all, master of none. And I know people who are like master of one and they are damn good at what they do. You get like, I get anxiety working with them sometimes. They're so good. So it's a matter of like just finding those kind of people to ground yourself. How's the SaaS doing? SaaS is doing good. We are just making this, this meme. Me casually strolling through the code base. I never wrote, but AI did. Yeah, this. I like this. We have to stop somewhere. I'll stop here. I'll change the font to maybe this. One other thing is we have no idea how to edit this, right? So I want to give kind of a pencil somewhere. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Elon, make ChatGPT open source, but Elon is not making Grok open source. What the hell is opening? I mean, Elon is not saying make ChatGPT open source. He is saying do not make OpenAI as a private company because it's already non-profit. And yeah, happy life, yo, happy life. How is your Monday, man? How are you? What are you doing? So it would be good if I can just press on if control and drag, it should duplicate this layer. But yeah, these are like advanced features. I don't want to invest time right now on these. So initially what my plan is just to make this box better, right? Let's see if we have anything here. Nothing, right? We are on a fresh project. Let's go to timeline. It's been a big day, very big day. How much I have coded though so far? Okay, 4 hours 14 minutes already done, which is pretty good in terms of Monday. Mondays are generally me mostly planning, but I have already done 4 hours of deep work plus 6 hours 30 minutes of total work, which is good. I feel good about this Monday. But there is a huge list of things which I did not complete today, but it's fine. I'll maybe do it tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to shoot the video mostly, but yeah, let's see. Isn't ChatGPT a profitable company? It's for non-profit right now. They are trying to convert it into for profit. Vishnu, how is OpenAI non-profit when it charges money for the AI model? So non-profit doesn't mean they have to distribute everything for free. Like obviously then there will be nothing, right? NGOs, like if you like look into NGOs sell products as well and they charge you for those things. It's just that the whole legality around that company is a bit different. Anybody can look into their finances and they are very open about it, and they do not take profits. Like their main motive is not profits. Also, I think they cannot go IPO. So there are like a lot of legalities. That's what OpenAI is struggling with. So for getting these huge fundings, they will have to become for profit, and that's the struggle they are in. I have no like I don't know much about it, but yeah, this is my understanding of the whole scenario. Blinking Code, say hey, sorry I'm late, was on a work call. Oh, thank you Blinking Code, thank you for joining, man. You're right on time. It's just 10 p.m. Code Crusader, Blinkit bro. Blinkit what? I do this Instamart. Blinkit is not available in my region. So Blinkit is available like 2 kilometers away from my house. They do not deliver here. And I have Instamart. If you're talking about the same Blinkit. Okay, so let's say I'm just thinking what to ask. Okay, so let's go to text video layer. In the text video layer, I want to make sure that when we Okay, there is a bug in text video layer where when I drag it to left or right, it increases or decreases the width of the whole component. While dragging, we should only change the position of the component. Let's see. Shubham, God, I want to visit you, and probably next month I'm coming Goa. Cool. Next month I might not be here. I'm leaving on 11th this month for Holi to back to my home. Blinken, I saw the message about the new sponsored video. Congrats. Thank you, Blinken Codes. Thank you so much. Yeah, I got it today only. Today finalized, and this is a very interesting video which I might be working on. Not might, I will be working on, and this is a very different video. I'm pretty sure you guys will love it. Is there free Wi-Fi in Goa? There is free Wi-Fi in Goa. I saw like a couple of places where they have government run Wi-Fi routers, so you can just enter your mobile number, you get free access. It's near my house only, one of the circle where they give free Wi-Fi. Nickname now is called Shubham. Man, Shubham is super impressed. I have fixed the bug. Did you fix the bug? Let's see. No, you haven't fixed the bug, bro. The bug is worse now. Mm-hmm. No, man, no. Why do I say this? I feel so embarrassed to even listen to greatest. I'm not even a good developer, you know. You are leaving, still going to streaming or no? Thank you, codes. No, I will be streaming. I will be 100% streaming. Like there is a huge setup in my home as well, and I'll show you guys like the home setup. So this is my Goa setup. Then there is my home setup, like where my parents live. So, Vishnu, when's the launch, bro? Vishnu, I'm planning to do it this week, most probably. And I've been busy with, one other project, which is becoming a pain in the ass right now because I'm stuck on one issue, which AI is unable to help. And I have to manually work like a, caveman as a coder, as old people used to work like. So yeah, it's taking a lot of my time. Code Crusader, probably next week. Yeah, let's probably next week, maybe this week. So I'll have to be, I'll release this week, and like I'll invite you guys only, internal users who can just test it out. Meanwhile, I'll be working on, so okay, let me tell you guys what I want to do. Before launching, I want to clean up this view from the left navigation bar. I want to make it smaller, width very smaller, and just add 3 buttons on it, and just like the things which are working, like you can see what videos you have rendered, and this is studio section. And even in this studio section, I want to like clean it up a bit, remove unnecessary buttons from it which are not working as of now. And these emojis I'm not a big fan of. Also, like someone gave me a feedback, let's cut out these emojis, they're not looking very professional. I want to change this button a bit. That's it. That's the whole cleanup thing I'll do on this landing page. After this, we can look into landing page, and once landing page is done, we are good. We are good to launch. Okay, oh cool. Happy life. Still building my social media app, revised Redis, and will learn about Kafka. Also implemented Socket.io for client and server. Will refine the code and will add Roam logic tomorrow. Wow, happy life. All the best, man. You're doing crazy work. Yeah, it will be a good learning though. But if you want to make it as a production version, maybe try using existing real-time APIs. If you are doing it for learning, perfect. Socket.io is the best thing. But if you're doing it for, production work, I would say focus more on the features rather than the real-time communication thing. Messaging with real-time, creating channels and all. This can become very, very complex. I have worked on one app which was kind of number one in US at one time. I mean, like in one particular category. So it was a chatting app, and I was working on the native Android version of it, and I know how complicated it went for our backend team as well, and for me as well on the front end, to manage all the feature sets. Like at one point it was okay, like when you were just sharing text and images, that was fine. But as soon as we started increasing features, the complexity just exponentially started growing. And then I understood, okay, maybe having this kind of architecture, unless you have a huge team, it's very hard. So yeah, one general advice from experiences: invest time on learning some external, like, real-time API. Panic, Shrikar, haha, what are you doing? Shrikar is a toll rise. He's my friend. He's back in Estonia. He was here in Goa for last couple of weeks. Now I think he's missing Goa and he's just hysterically laughing. In the army, yo, in, you're back. The solution, but it's not working. I can still drag towards the left and it reduces the width of the container. Rudy, how much time did it take to migrate that module? Could you share some insights? You mean the module I was talking about, KMM thing? Is it working though? I don't know what changes it's making. These changes did nothing. So in dragging, handle mouse move is changed. I mean, no, it's still doing the same stupid thing. Yeah, okay. I'm currently building it to learn. What features should I add it so that it would help me learn more things? Currently, I have one-to-one and one-to-many thing in my project. So it will help you learn more things. I would say, one super interesting thing, Happy Life, which you will learn is managing multi-time differences. Like, look into that. If your users are from, like if I'm from India, I'm talking to someone in US, and how you will manage the communication between them, like how the chats will be shown to both of us based on our time zones. In case one of the user, for example me, is not choosing automatic timing, because with automatic timing, obviously you can find, okay, this is the user from India, so his time would be, the global time, right? All the libraries will give you the conversion. But there is a specific case when I am a person who does not go with the real time. I keep my watches half hour ahead. I'm that weird guy. How will you make sure the chat which I'm watching are still in sync to each other? Because this sync is very important. So yeah, look into that. That will be a very good challenge. There you will learn one very, very important thing. Yeah. So I'm just giving you a hint if you want to move into that. And once you do that, let me know, and I can share one very insightful thing which I learned back then while working on that project. Bring in quotes. What is this music? I like it. So I'm playing this old songs, but it's lo-fi video. I like this music. It's usually playing on the background in my room. How's going? How was the day? Pretty good day. Like, worked mostly the whole day, and now I'm here. My friend is in town. We went to the beach. His daughter, she is very small. She saw the sea first time, and I'm always like, I always looking at children's face when they are looking a huge sea in front of them, because for me also, when I first saw the sea, I was like blown away with the vastness of water and sea. And I saw the sea first time when I was, I think, 24 years of age. So yeah. Nice background music. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Boss, the previous solution wasn't working correctly because we were updating drag start coordinate during movement, which was creating a compounding effect. Let's try this. Okay, okay. No, 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 no. I don't know what the hell is it doing. Text to test. So it's fine here, right? But when it reaches to the boundary, I think here the problem is coming. Okay, so it's working fine. Yeah, it's somewhere here. The logic is messed up. I'm going to save that playlist. I wonder if it's on Spotify. Yeah, I doubt. Like it's, I think I doubt. But yeah, the Lo-Fi Moon is the channel name. Maybe they are with the same name on Spotify. Are they? Listen to this. I don't think they are on Spotify. They haven't mentioned here. Oh, okay. So let me try one more thing. Okay, so it's still not working, and I noticed one issue that the drag changing width is only happening when I reach to the end of the screen while dragging towards the right side. Let's first look in the code if there is any such condition. Share it with me and do not code first. Nostalgic. Interesting. Firstly, let's look at how the positioning work, then how 0 and 1 this. Okay, which means when you reach the screen edge, the position can't go beyond these bounds when the mouse moves. Okay, let's fix this. So this thing is really helped me. First I tell this cursor that do not code, just share what you have understood from the code base and just list it down. And sometimes it lists it down, it helps me also understand, okay, what's happening. And if I am like very sure, okay, yeah, this could be the solution, then I go ahead, okay, go ahead, implement it. I hope this will work now. So close, we were so close. On moving to right, the width of the video container is shrinking and height is increasing still. It's in Spotify. I just saved the playlist. New coding focus music. Awesome link quotes. Happy life, cool. Are you talking about the situation where a person has set their clock ahead of generic time? For example, generic time is 8 p.m. and the user set custom time where that time is 8:30. Yes, exactly. And you are like in different time zones, or maybe in the same time zone. I mean, like, yeah, time zone will not have any effect. Because how your messages will come. No, they should be on that. Okay, I'll tell you why. Okay, I'll tell you the problem here. It took me some time to fix this issue. It was pretty complex back then. So for example, this is some guy and this is some other guy. So these are the two guys, right? And let's say this is the world, global world. This guy is in US, the time is 9 p.m. This guy is in India, the time is 9 a.m. Now they both are talking to each other via this chat app which you are building, right? They're connected to your server. Now, one of the ways, whenever this guy sends a message, you store it here, hi, at 9 a.m. And whenever this guy sends a message, you store hi at 9 p.m. But when it reaches to the client, you do the conversion. Okay, this message was received at 9 p.m. US time, so current Indian time would be 9 a.m. So you will do the conversion on the local end. This is one way. Other way is, whenever someone sends a message, you keep it on your, let's suppose this is in Switzerland. Mind my spelling. So Switzerland is here. So your server is in Switzerland. So here the time will be completely different, right? There will be like 1:30 a.m. let's say 1:20 a.m. So each message will have timestamp of the server. Now they will reach to the client, and you will find out, okay, the user is in India, so his time should be this, and if user is in here, his time should be this, which is in theory seems much simpler, like managing time in just one situation rather than having it from the client side. Now let's suppose, and this time actually decides the hierarchy of the message. Like if your messages are shown this way based on what time it has been received. Now here is one catch: when some custom user has updated their time on their end, where the messages, like this message should be shown below this, but because this time change, now this message will be shown like this. So your whole message rhythm will break, right? And this does not happen in any other app. It does not happen in WhatsApp, Telegram. So how do they manage this thing? This is the problem which I'm talking about. So Happy Life, give it a try, find the solution by yourself. It's a good problem to solve, and it definitely needs a solution. It's a very small use case, to be honest, but definitely needs a solution if you're building a chat app. So yeah, this is something if you want to give it a try. Tripster, how do the expenses look for living in Goa? How do they compare to living in other cities or states? Is kind of same. In some sense, it's a bit cheaper as well. I mean, like, I was living in Bangalore, and Bangalore is like so expensive. It's like living in in US compared to like in India, right? So it's very expensive to live in Bangalore, and even in Delhi, Gurgaon, it's very expensive. You can find cheaper options, but the kind of, value for money you get in Goa, I feel like it's better than in any other state. And the reason is because Goa, is not a very economic capital. It's just a touristy place. So tourist things will be expensive here. That's the thing. Like if you go do a water sport, which technically is not there in Bangalore and Delhi, right? So we cannot compare that, but it will be expensive because the whole economy runs on tourism mostly. So it's not an economic capital. There are not many opportunities. So people do not flock in here. The prices of the local markets, local real estate is like comparatively lower than the economically expensive states like Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, because there people are going, right, to find jobs, to earn money. So it works on like supply and demand kind of thing. Calling Larry. Hello all. Hey Larry, long time man. Where were you? How are you doing? I saw your Jeep. It's a beast. Yeah, you guys should meet. Shubham, bro, I want a song to put on a story as I'm launching the website. Story? You want a song? So yeah, put this song. Suggest something good. There's something good. Okay. Just put any like social network music. Thanks. I guess it would make my project stand out more. Interesting. I mean, like you will have to tell it to the other person and also explain this problem, because it goes above the head of most of the people. They'll say, hey, this is not a really crazy problem. Once they try to solve it. Finally got my coffee. Wow. Awesome. Larry, thank you so much for joining, man. So yeah, our AI is still fighting with this. The width is still not fixed while dragging. It looks so cool with the doors off. Is it a thing in Texas, like to have your doors out?
On the day that you were born, angels got together and decided to create a dream come true.
Hey Larry, is this
So
you?
they sprinkled moon just in your hair and put a starlight in your eyes so blue. That is why
So
all the
someone
girls
is
in
looking to
town
create
follow you all around.
mortgage calculator, salary tax calculator. I would like to embed the calculators in WordPress page. Can be HTML, PHP. I'm able to create functional short codes if needed. Hit me up if you have any interest. Thank you. AI coding beginners welcome, as long as it's a functioning calculator. So guys, there is a project on our project request channel. And if anybody has interest and want to work with Larry, do comment there. Just the Jeep, since they are off-road, the door kind of clip on. Oh, interesting. Calling it LDMUDV. Sure, Larry.
Please do hit the subscribe button down below. And those two are my friends. They helped me shoot my cover.
When the weather is nice, Jeeps often have no doors or no top. Oh wow. It's very interesting. Like I have seen no tops here. No doors I have never seen. Like, and also I think in India they will like the police will catch you because they will say it will like, you know, hazardous to life if the car topples and you're just out of the car. But that can happen if there is no roof as well, right? Yeah. Would love to see your Odyssey G9 when you use your setup at your house. Definitely, we'll show you guys. I'm super excited as well because this is the first time I'm like doing these lives, and you guys will see the home setup. Home setup is, I feel like, a little bit more cooler than this setup. It took me like many years to build that. The roof of Jeeps come off too. Yeah, Blinken Codes was telling us about that last time. There's a video of the army and the Jeep comes in a wooden box. They put one together in less than 10 minutes, all the parts. Oh wow. Interesting. With no doors or no top, it's called a naked Jeep. Interesting. Learning so much about Jeep now. It's building me this thought that maybe I need a Jeep. Please get fixed. Shit, man. Oh yeah. Hello. What? Hello. Okay, so there is an issue in our text video layer. Whenever I'm dragging it, not resizing, just dragging it onto the right end of the container, then it resizes itself, which should not happen. No matter where I drag the video layer, text video layer, it should never resize itself. Can you fix this issue? First, figure out what is happening based on the calculations on the page. If you figure it out, lay it down in points and do not code anything as of now. Okay. I have foot pedals and mirrors I attach to the hinges, so I'm driving with my foot out, catching a nice breeze, if you know what I mean. Oh, interesting. This is pretty crazy, man. Very nice, very nice. What it's saying is the application has two different components related to text video layer. Text layer and text video layer. Handling timeline. Okay. Text video layer is drag function similar to the handle and mouse. Okay, okay.
And that one is you. No other will do. I've lost all ambition or worldly acclaim. I just wanna be the one you love. I've lost all ambition or worldly acclaim. I just wanna be the one you love.
Vishnu, do you know how to get clients for an agency? I mean, to get any client, like I used to work on my own. You can call it agency now. I never knew these things are called agency back then. So I have, like, we were three friends. We created like a small team, and one of them was a designer. We were like two engineers, and I was like acting as a manager mostly because I was the one who is bidding on projects and getting these projects. So how we used to get client was mostly like being out marketing ourselves. So if you are running an agency, you have to market yourself, your services a lot. Then that's how people get to know about you, and reach out to people who are like, who you think might be trying to build something or want to build. Will the members get early access to the video that you will be uploading next? Happy life, 100%. 100%. I'm really sorry I could not do that on the last Scrimba video because it was, sponsored. So the next one is 100% members only first. LinkedIn quotes. Typically, spring and fall is the best time to have no doors or top. Yeah, I can feel that. Summer is too hot. 2 months solid of 100 plus times Fahrenheit in 40s. Wow. Crazy. Shubham, I'm done. I'm done of what? You are building some landing page. Is it done? It has done so many changes just to fix this bug, and swear to God if it is not fixed yet. I don't know, AI is getting dumb or what? I mean, this is not that hard, right? When we are dragging, I just have to look at the code now. Fuck this AI now. Okay. Fuck this AI. Let's dig in. I finished the website. Okay. Oh shit, we are almost on time, right? So where is the drag happening? First, let's check. Is dragging. Let's see where is set is dragging. So handle mouse down, then set is dragging. Let's see if this is where the dragging is happening. Inspect. Console. If I select it, so dragging is getting triggered, but not exactly all the time. Not if rect set drag start, handle resize start, then there is preview, handle mouse down, container rect is dragging here. Right. Let's see. Let's filter it based on this and go to here. Okay. Okay, so here is the calculation. Now when the dragging is happening, we are changing the XY to new XY. Okay. Can we see? Okay, I think you're asking Shubham. That's here where I am in Texas. It's Satan's armpit here in the summer. So you said it's how much? 100 plus temp in Fahrenheit. How much is like 100 Fahrenheit? 100 Fahrenheit to Celsius? 37. Wow. Linking codes. You know how much is it like top temperature in Goa? So it can go up to 41 here, and top temperature in Delhi. So it should be another armpit. It can go to 52 degrees Celsius, which is like 126 Fahrenheit in Delhi at like peak heat season. It gets really, really hot, man. Like I have seen some videos where people making an omelette right on the road. So yeah, I can feel that pain. So now till event I'm free. Awesome. I'm in the armpit. Yep, IQ from tomorrow. Perfect. I forgot where you are at Blinken. I think Blinken is also in Texas, but yeah, the link is the same if you want to see. If it was the last message to Discord. Calling, okay. Hey, 37 normal in Pune. Yeah. Bro, I get 50 degrees in my city summer long. Yes. I mean, 50 is kind of expected in top peak heat seasons. Is resizing okay on metadata change? Is dragging is only here if resizing. So I think all the magic is happening because of this. Let's comment it out. Yeah, so that whole thing is happening. If I say the new X and just the new Y. So it's just, it was earlier blocking it because it does not want it to go into any domain. But here again we have this thing which is not letting us move past this stage, which is weird. Larry, I'm in. Okay. Oh yeah, I bet it's hot there. Okay, I'm in West Odessa. Okay, Shubham on your Discord. Good. What is in my Discord? The in general. Where is it? 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 Yeah, Shubham, can you share it again? I don't find it. Where did you post your, I mean, which channel? Yeah, I don't even know which channel. I'm just north of Dallas. Okay, I'm like 30 minutes. Okay, Shubham, I sent it to... Oh, you sent it directly to me? Oh, here it is. No, Mesh. Wow, looking very clean, very clean. Colors and everything is very nice. I can see like you are a designer as well by heart, so you are like painting and all. So I think you have a very good design sense, like color sense. The whole color theme, the way you have made the whole, you know, skeleton of this thing, very nice. Good job, Shubham. I like it. Okay guys, so it's already 12:34. Again, stuck on this issue. Maybe I'll just sit tomorrow morning with a fresh cup of coffee and then we'll figure it out. But yeah, already feeling too tired today. Had a very busy day and was like traveling with my friends as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And this week I'm planning to launch this product as well. I hope you guys will give some feedback and we will work it out. Again, thank you so much for joining this stream. I'll be seeing you again tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.